Well, we're out for another hello, talofa love everyone. We're out for another picnic because it's another lovely sunny day. There's a bit more warmth in the weather. We've got sushi and we're going to enjoy it, and we're just going out to the airport, the observation area where we can watch the planes come and go, big and small, and some of them are bringing kids up for the holidays with family, and we're just about there, and it's a lovely place. It's so peaceful, and you can just watch the aeroplanes come and go, and the planes going near and far, and you just hope that God's watching over them all when they travel and that they get to the destinations in a safe manner. Now we're just going along the fast road, a little motorway, and there's a new outlet centre with all the labelled shops, Nike, Puma, New Balance, which has opened up just along a little bit, and where everyone is finding it is cheaper than Dressmart, and everybody's like, no, Dressmart's better, but no, Manawea Bay, I think I'm pronouncing it right, is where I'd love to go and buy a pair of shoes, but I'm not in the mood today. But yeah, very, very industrial here, and we'll go past the new Park and Ride, and that is huge, and I mean huge. And yeah, it's just a nice drive. It's not too far. But yeah, we're just going along a little bit, and then you'll probably see it in just a couple of minutes. And it's huge, and buses come. The airport buses come and pick you up from Park and Ride, take you to the airport, the next one comes. So it's just 24-hour flowing of the airport buses bring you to the car park. And if you look to your left in just a minute, you'll probably see a bit of it now. And there's a Park and Ride bus that's taking some to the Park and Ride car park. And just behind us is a plane coming in, which looks like just a New Zealand plane. Just a little, as we call them, budgies, because they're quite small. You'll see it. So that's, and our niece Talia loves coming out here and watching the planes. And there's just past another airport bus. And some days, especially on the Saturday, the airport is very, very busy, and the car parks are usually quite full because the kids love coming out to see the planes coming and going. And a lot of questions to the parents: where are they going, mummy? And just and we're just watching for a plane to go. The cabin needs to go. And it just, I love the colour of how blue the sky is. And we just and as you can all see, there's a little
My trip. Oh. My trips. Oh, thank you. Hello. You eating? Flip the camera, okay?
here's my lunch. Oh God. Anybody that loves sushi on Cavendish Drive, it's worth the money. It's expensive, but it's worth the money, and it is yum. And no, I'm not sharing it. Yum, yum.
Good.
Can you put it in the other way now? Jetstar. Can you put it in the other way so it's... I'll put it in the other way.
Oh, this is not good. Hmm? Get it on.
This is so yum, I can't talk because it's got my whole taste buds buzzing. And there's chicken, teriyaki. Look at that. Two was asked, could he have some? And I gave him the big N-O.
Hmm? That place.
And there's Just the blue sky is a picture on its own. With a bit of breeze. A bit chilly for me to get out of the car. And the airport is a very busy airport because I can see one plane just taken off up in the sky, another one landed.
Oh. Can eat.
I'm still getting through it. It's so nice and just what I wanted and just what I felt like. Gets the taste buds going. Perfect. What's really nice, it's a little rice basket with sushi, chicken, cream cheese. Put it through. The cars are going, they must have had lunch here. And now another plane's waiting to go out and one's coming into land. I'm loving the sushi.
Look.
I can't get over how blue the sky is. And you'll see it, if you look closer, you'll see the utes and the little trucks that are going backwards and forwards. They all know what their jobs are, whether the big jobs, the little jobs, but it's all connected to the Auckland airport. And the airport has just had a big I don't know what you call it, upgrade at the airport, and they're making the car parks here bigger, but they're trying to encourage you to park and ride as you'll see in the before. You park and ride, you park there, and then you get dropped off right at the airport to save having quite so many cars and congestion at the airport. But it'll be a lovely day to fly today. I'm getting itchy feet. And yes, I will be on a plane when I get my knees sorted out. And I think there's a Qatar plane just ready to go from Qatar. Utah? No, not Qatar. What is it? And Angela went, and Stephen went there. Oh, on the way to Scotland. The second plane. Qatar. Can you get a picture of those two planes? See, two more planes are ready to take off, and they usually come up here, turn around, and then race down the runway, and then head off south. There you go, one's coming down.
Let's keep moving.
This sushi is to die for. And it's got a lovely variety and taste. And straight ahead is another part where you can stop and watch, as we call it. On your left there is a park and ride bus that is going to the car park, and then it'll go on to Puanui train station where it'll do a drop off or pick up, and you come back out to the airport and just go and go and go. And the park and ride buses they come every 10 minutes at the airport. And it's the same, they at Puanui train station every 10 minutes. So there's not a lot of waiting. Just past the sign for the outlet centre, which is very big. And it's such a nice day just to drive round Manawa Bay. In the van in front of us is a tourist van, and there'll be a driver in it, and another person that tells you whereabouts you are and where we're going. And a lot of Japanese hire one of these, and it's their bus to go wherever they would like. And you it might be like a sort of conductor where they explain where we're going, or any special scenic places on the way to your destination. And Butterfly Creek is on the right, and if you wear red, the butterflies attract to the red. So if your little kids love butterflies, get them to wear red, and then they'll have lots of butterfly friends. Not sure what this big number is coming up.
It's a fire engine.
Day. There's a little bit of heat in have a little jumper or AFC in the warehouse. And now, yesterday we came to Mangere Bridge on the northwestern motorway, but we're doing the other side of the circle. I think there's 2 different ways you can get to Mangere, or maybe 3. We're on number 2. I don't know what's here, but there's 2 fire engines just cruising along, and then there's an airport fire engine cruising along. So there needs to be a little bit of action here before. Now we've seen ambulances. There's an ambulance on our right, and on my husband and my bucket list, when we win lotto, on our bucket list we want to buy an ambulance and give it to St John, because they've always been here for all of us, and we can't fault the service that they give to us. And if you have children, it's the best idea is to get a family membership, because I think it is only $95 for a family for a year, and then you can use it as much as you like. And then, but if you have to call an ambulance, it's not. I think it's at least $95 just for one trip. But you can have your whole family in the one membership, which saves you a lot of money in when you take it over a year. Very industrial around here, both sides. There goes the ambulance. Well done, St. John. But the white one is a transfer one. And the ambulance, the transfer ambulance transfers you from hospital to hospital, or they can do transfers to other places. If you want to get transferred from the hospital to home, I think you have to pay the transfer, but to get you to hospital, it's $95. But get a family membership. I can't recommend them enough, because I've used it maybe 4 times this year, and it's still only $95 for the family membership. But I think it might have gone up a little bit since last year, but I'm not worried about the cost because they offer such a good service. You want to see along here in the afternoon, probably from about maybe 2 o'clock till about 6. It's just very, very congested, because this is a very industrial area with lots of employment out around here, and getting everybody home in one go is pretty busy stuff. And the SPCA is coming up on your right. I think about 5 years ago you could take your kids in to see the animals that were up for adoption, or ones that had come in that had been passed over to them by people that couldn't look after them anymore. But now, if you want to adopt, you have to make an appointment to go and see the animals. You can't just rock on up. And this is another part of Mangere, which is Mangere Central School. which has been around for quite a few years. It's a very good school, and even along here is very busy at school time. Yeah, I think we might just go home, or we're just doing a cruise. And there's the ambulance station. Oh, yeah, Mangere. Well, that's new. I didn't know that. It's nice just going for a drive in the sun, and it's so peaceful. But the St John's station at Mangere is a new one to me. I didn't know Mangere had one. There's one, a big one at Manukau on Wiri Station Road. And this is Mangere along here. And a lot there are a lot of old houses. Old houses, because Mangere is known in the early days, sort of 1960s or late 50s, and you'll see a lot of brick roofs, and there's some villa house. I love the villas around here. I'll try and pick one out. And a lot of these are state houses. And here's the motor lodge on your right. There's a lot of motels out of the sort of airport grounds, so that people can just come from the airport into the motel and don't have the airport noise before they transfer onto their destination, or whether they've moved here from overseas. But it's been very nice. 2 days in a row we've been out for lunch. That's a first, but we might just have lunch at home tomorrow, because tour's going to work at 1 o'clock. We're just going to turn on the motorway. And now the traffic is slowly starting to build up. As you can see, there's a few trucks on the road, and all got their jobs to do. And to keep the country moving and keep the country going smoothly is truck drivers. A lot of people think truck driver's just a truck driver, but serious stuff. You need stuff moved from place to place, and you call the trucks. I said round about 2 o'clock you get the traffic jam. Now we're on the southwestern motorway heading towards Puanui. So now we'll just admire the scenery and wait for us to get a truck that was just going past. It's got the power pole. No, I'll cancel that little bit. I can't think of what it's called. Truck on your right is a massive truck. It's full of rubbish. It's all recycled and waste, but it's very long. It's very big, very tall, very wide, very long, and it's full of rubbish. Oh, it only just fits under the bridge. Oh, a bit close. Two motorbikes have just gone past, and they're the loud ones, and I don't like the loud motorbikes because they take over the road. to your left, somebody's broken down and they should have moved over more because they're still over the white line and it's a bit close for comfort. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your sunny afternoon in the early spring. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.